2017, we opened our first location, The Farm, out in Port Crane. And we got that concept homebrewing in my garage. And then Chris graduated and he started joining me in the garage. We kind of took it to the next level, started putting some automation in our homebrewing equipment.
Homebrewing with Brendan, he was kind of the pioneer with that. He's very good at jumping right into things. So he bought all of the equipment for doing an all grain homebrew. We had looked at so many different buildings and we came to this one. And I think Brendan at first, he could see the vision of it.
We looked at a lot of different, real estate in the area. We actually looked at the Sears building as a purchase, and it was kind of too big of a project for us at the time. A few weeks later, the Matthews Group approached us about potentially leasing a portion of it.
Like a reality check that things have changed in the retail space. It was like this could be a really cool opportunity, not just for our business, but also for the community. And the Oakdale Mall, formerly Oakdale Mall, Oakdale Commons, is in such a great location with just the highways that are traveling through it, the amount of traffic that comes through it. There was so many different appealing aspects of this building, both from the nostalgic, both from like it's got great bones, just needs a little TLC. It took probably a couple walkthroughs of the space to really have it set in, this could be something awesome.
I guess it's kind of similar to the Port Crane location. When we started that concept, everyone was like, what are you doing out in Port Crane? No one's going to go there. And kind of when people heard we were going in the mall, we got a lot of the same feedback. But they built a mall here for a reason, right? It's a central location, there's tons of parking, it's easy access from all over the Triple Cities.
It expanded from capacity to we are going to do a production facility and then also have a restaurant.
I think specifically with our locations, we kind of set them up with a design to keep people together. So if you look around, I'm sitting at a 10-person table right now. So a lot of times it's multiple people sitting at that same table. So really it's just kind of a vibe that we tried to create with the locations. And then obviously beer, itself has been a community gathering point for centuries.
The food as well, the staff that we have, the chefs, the love and care that they put into the food, mixed with the love and care put into the beer, it's kind of a whole experience, a whole culinary experience. It's like the hub for Beer Tree now is the factory. So I think the beer scene in Binghamton, there's a couple awesome breweries that are doing great stuff. Water Street in downtown Binghamton, which is now kind of like our neighbor, more or less. Then you've got the North up in Endicott.
And then I think we have a great restaurant bar scene, whether it be here or the different establishments downtown. There's just a lot to do, in terms of nightlife and food, as well as recreation.
I'm Chris Rhoades.
I'm Brendan Harder,
co-founder of Beer Tree Brew, and we invite you
to be part of our story.